In this module, we will look at some more ways that you can modify your page and improve its appearance with CSS3. Let's start by talking about fonts. There are a number of different types of fonts. The three important types that we'll care about are serif fonts, sans serif fonts, and monospaced fonts. Serif fonts have those tiny little legs at the bottom that make reading easier, especially in large paragraphs. Among the serif fonts that you might consider are Times New Roman and Times, Georgia, Baskerville, Palatino, Linotype, or you can just mark a fallback of type serif. Sans serif fonts do not have the tiny little legs and are very good for headlines. Among the sans serif fonts that are popular are Arial and Helvetica, Verdana, Geneva, Tahoma, Lucida Grande, as well as Trebuchet MS, Century Gothic, or the generic sans serif. Monospaced fonts are excellent for code. Among the popular monospaced fonts are Courier New, Courier, Lucida Console, and Cooperplate. All of the use of fonts depends on the font being available on the user's computer. However, that can be overcome with web fonts. With web fonts, you instruct the user's browser to download the font that you need to the user's machine. However, this creates somewhat complex code and can raise legal issues as to the ownership and licensing of the font. One easy way around that problem is to use a font server such as Google Web Fonts. Using Google Web Fonts turns out to be fairly easy. You navigate to Google, pick the fonts that you want, request the code, which is a set of links, and put those links into your style sheet, and then you just use the fonts as normal. When you use the fonts, they will be downloaded to the user's machine. Let's take a look at how that works.